Welcome to the story of the Cloud Palace escape. High above the earth floated a fluffy kingdom called the Cloud Palace, where tiny raindrops danced and played. Drippy, a curious little raindrop with a glimmering glow, often stared down at the world below. What's it like down there, he wondered. One morning, while the other drops napped on a soft cumulus cushion, Drippy tiptoed to the edge and plop! He leapt from the cloud. Whee! He giggled, tumbling through the air. As he fell, he counted the fluffy clouds he passed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down he went, excited to learn what waited for him on earth. Drippy landed with a splash into a glistening blue river. The current tickled his sides and carried him along like a shiny marble in a slide. As he flowed, he noticed a frog hopping from one lily pad to another. Hi there, Drippy called. Ribbit, I'm Felix the frog, said the green jumper, smiling. Welcome to River Ripple. You're a raindrop, huh? Yes, I just left the clouds, said Drippy. Felix showed him how to leap between lily pads. It's all about timing and balance. Like counting. 1 hop, 2 hop, 3. Drippy laughed and practiced counting his own bounces. Math is fun, he cheered. Further down the river, Drippy noticed a shimmer of wings. A sparkling dragonfly zipped by. Whee! I'm Luna, she chirped. You're new here. I'm Drippy, I'm exploring Earth. Luna flew in patterns, zigzags, loops, and spirals. Flying takes precision, like solving a puzzle, she explained. If I flap 3 times up and 2 times down, how many flaps is that? Drippy thought hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flaps. Correct, Luna beamed. They giggled as she showed him more patterns and shapes in the air. The river widened into a calm lake, and there on a rock sat a wise old turtle named Tully. Slow and steady, little drop, Tully said with a warm smile. Drippy told Tully about his journey. Every drop has a purpose, Tully said. Even when things change, we adapt, just like the water does, flowing, freezing, or floating. Drippy noticed the numbers of birds flying by. 3 ducks and 2 geese. That's 5 birds? Smart and observant, said Tully. That's how we learn, little by little. Drippy felt a warm glow inside. Learning was an adventure too. Drippy floated from the lake into a tiny stream that trickled into a lush green meadow. Flowers bloomed in rows, some red, some yellow. Drippy counted. 3 red flowers and 4 yellow flowers. That's 7 altogether. The plants stretched toward the sun. We need water to grow, they whispered in the breeze. Drippy giggled. I'm helping. But he also noticed something strange. The ground was getting dry. Cracks formed in the soil beneath the grass. The sun beamed hotter and brighter. The stream trickled slower, and the plants drooped. Oh no, said Drippy. If the sun keeps shining so strong, the water will all disappear. Felix, Luna, and Tully arrived, worried too. We need to keep the water cycle going, said Tully. But we must work together. Drippy added, if 3 of us do 1 thing each, and we ask 2 more friends, how many helpers will we have? 5, chirped Luna. 5 friends can do a lot, said Felix. Let's save the meadow. The friends gathered nearby animals and insects and made a plan. We'll call upon the Cloud Keeper, said Tully. But we must create a cool, moist breeze to guide the clouds back. Luna zipped around to stir the air. Felix leapt into the stream, splashing rhythmically. Splash, splash, splash. Drippy, with his sparkle, reflected sunlight into a rainbow. Rainbows bring hope, he shouted. Together they made a pattern. 1 splash, 2 zips, 3 sparkles, repeating like a math rhythm. High above, the Cloud Keeper, a gentle glowing figure made of mist and moonlight, heard the rhythm. Who calls upon me? She asked, descending slowly. Drippy floated upward with the breeze. The land is drying. Please help us. The Cloud Keeper nodded. You have shown teamwork, problem-solving, and care. I will send the clouds back to bring balance. She waved her misty hand, and clouds began to gather. Soft raindrops fell from the sky, tickling flowers and refilling streams. "Drippy, you did it," cheered Felix. "We all did it together," said Drippy. Seeds that had been sleeping in the ground sprouted. Butterflies danced. The meadow shimmered with joy. Drippy saw the numbers return. 2 full puddles, 4 blooming bushes, and 6 happy friends. "Math is everywhere," he said with wonder. As the sun peeked through the clouds again, Drippy began to feel lighter. "It's time," said Tully gently. "You're evaporating, rising back to the sky." "I'll miss you all," Drippy said. "And we'll miss you," said Luna, giving him a sparkling send-off. "Remember," said Felix, "every drop matters." Drippy floated higher and higher, carried by warm air. He looked down one last time. "I'll be back," he whispered. "The cycle never ends." And with a sparkle and a smile, Drippy rose to the clouds, ready for another adventure. The end. B. King. X.